after he checked his level and he's secure. Here's the window. He has to fasten it. These windows come with their own screws. I think you see the way we trimmed out this window here.
Here we are with the installation of vinyl cedar shake siding. As you notice, everything has to be here with Andy and Mary Beth Thompson in Glen Rock, New Jersey. We just finished installing All Sides Prodigy siding. And guys, what can you say about the installation? How do you like New America Construction service? Some type of architectural art like this. See, so much can be done with vinyl siding. You just need the right. Same thing here. We're going to remove all of the existing siding. The garage is already insulated.